Effortlessly tackle any project. Best cordless drills of 2023. Welcome back. Today we have an engaging video that showcases the best-selling cordless drills in the market to assist you in making an informed decision. To explore these products further, kindly refer to the description section for the latest pricing and additional information. DEWALT DCD708C2 is a reliable and versatile drill driver that packs a punch with a high-performance motor capable of delivering up to 340 unit watts out of power. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for use in tight spaces, and it comes with a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, a charger, and a carrying case for easy transportation and storage. This drill driver is an excellent choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need a dependable tool for their projects. Even better, its handle is ergonomically designed for increased comfort, balance, and easier tool control. Plus, it also has a removable belt hook. The Makita XFD14T is a heavy-duty drill driver that is perfect for demanding applications. Its brushless motor delivers up to 1,250 inch-pounds of torque, making it a great choice for drilling through tough materials like concrete and metal. The drill driver comes with the two 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and carrying case for easy transport and storage. With its impressive power and reliability, the Makita XFD14T is an ideal tool for professionals who require a robust drill driver for their work. BOSCH PS31-2A is a compact and lightweight drill driver that is designed for working in tight spaces. Despite its small size, it's powerful enough to handle a range of applications, thanks to its 12-volt lithium-ion battery, which can deliver up to 265 inch-pounds of torque. The drill driver also has a 2-speed transmission, which provides more precise control over the drilling speed and torque. This feature is especially useful for driving screws and working with delicate materials. One of the standout features of the BOSCH PS31-2A is its design. RIDGID 18V. The RIDGID 18V is a powerful drill driver that is perfect for heavy-duty applications. Its high-performance motor delivers up to 650 inch-pounds of torque, making it suitable for drilling through tough materials. The drill driver comes with two 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a carrying case for easy transportation and storage. With its durable construction and impressive power, the RIDGID 18V is an excellent choice for professionals who need a reliable and robust drill driver for their work. Is CRAFTSMAN V20. The CRAFTSMAN V20 is a powerful and efficient drill driver that is perfect for a range of applications. Its high-performance motor delivers up to 300 unit watts of UWO of power, making it suitable for drilling through various materials. The drill driver comes with two 20-volt lithium-ion batteries, charger, and carrying case for convenient storage and transport. Its ergonomic handle design and lightweight construction make it comfortable to use for extended periods. The CRAFTSMAN V20 is a reliable tool that is ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need a versatile and dependable drill driver for their work. Its durable construction and impressive performance make it a great investment for anyone. Lastly, we have the Milwaukee 2801-21P M18. It's a high-performance drill driver that is designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Its brushless motor delivers up to 500 inch-pounds of torque, making it a great choice for drilling through tough materials like concrete and metal. The drill driver also has a 2-speed gearbox, which provides more precise control over the drilling speed and torque. One of the standout features of the Milwaukee 2801-21P M18 is its Red Link intelligence system, which provides advanced protection against overloading and overheating. This system also optimizes the tool's performance and extends its lifespan. The drill driver also has an ergonomic handle design that reduces fatigue during prolonged use, and a built-in LED light that illuminates the work area. Overall, the Milwaukee 2801-21P M18 is a reliable and efficient tool that is perfect for a range of applications, from DIY projects to professional construction work. Thank you for tuning in to our channel. We hope that our reviews have been helpful and informative in your search for the best products to suit your needs. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated